Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to report users on Grailed. Here are the detailed steps to report users on Grailed. The first thing to do is to launch your web browser and go to www.grailed.com. If prompted, click the login button located at the top right corner of the home page. Enter your email and password or use Google/Apple credentials if you signed up that way. After logging in, you will be redirected to your homepage or dashboard. Use the search bar or browse items to find the user you wish to report. Now click on their username or profile picture to access your profile page. So I'm using the search bar and let's say I want streetwear. I just click on that and I select this. So this is a seller. I click on top curators and I just click to open their store. So this is the seller. Okay, and let's say I just open up any product. And from this product page, scroll the way down until you find the seller. Now this is the seller Bamali. Bamali has 83 reviews, 258 transactions, 1,641 items for sale. Trusted seller, quick responder. But let's say you want to report the seller. What you need to do is to click on the seller's name, and that's going to take you to the seller's profile, which we have, Bamali. Now, head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have this flag. Now, under this flag, you have block and report user. Select report user. Now, in here, what's the reason you're reporting this user? Go ahead and describe the reason for reporting the user. It could either be harassment or abusive behavior, fraudulent activity or scams, violations of Grailed community guidelines, or other specific issues. Once you're done, click on submit. Now, some reporting forms may allow you to add details about the incidents, which we have in here, like I said, just add it. So provide relevant information that can help Grailed's moderation team understand the situation. Be clear and concise in your explanation to make your case more effective. Now, once you're done and you click on submit, you should receive a confirmation message indicating that your report has been submitted. Grailed may follow up on your report if they need more information or to inform you about the outcome. Check your notifications or messages for any update regarding your report. After reporting a user, it's advisable to avoid engaging further with them. Retaliation or confrontation can escalate the situation and could lead to complications. If you have ongoing concerns or need assistance after reporting, you can reach out to Grailed support directly. So look for the contact option in the footer of the website to contact them directly. I'd like you to know the reports are typically handled confidentially, so your identity may not be disclosed to the reported user. Ensure your report is valid and based on actual incidents to help maintain a positive community environment. Now go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you are done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.